Hello friends, today we are going to code a chatbot which I have made and I have done the designing already. This is the screen one. I have taken image, text area, button also, and this is the screen two where I have written what you can ask. Okay, and this is the screen three where you can chat with it. Okay, now let's start. So first in screen one, I will take on event ID block and this button one. ID is button one clicked, then set screen. Another screen that is screen two. Okay, now I will open screen. Now here is button two and button three. This is for another thing and I have made a search engine also. This is for that. So I will click on, I will take this on event two times. Okay. On event, this button 3 click, then open a URL. This I have copied already, and this button 2 clicked, then set screen ID. Screen what is screen 3. Okay, now screen 3 is this. Okay, now over here, what is that? Now we will start the code for conversation with chatbot and the user. So this is the text input, a button from where we can go back and see what to ask. So ID button 5 on event button 5 click, then set screen 2. Okay, then set screen 2, and this is the answer button. So on event ID button 4 clicked. Okay, button 4 clicked, then we will take if block, if, and go to math and take equals if, and go to UI controls and take get text from. This is text input 1. Okay, text input 1. Where is text? Yes, over here. And the label which is over here screen 2, this is hello. Okay, this is hello. So hello, but with quotes we have to write. I will write here hello. Okay, and now I will see set text in the text area 2. Text area 2 is this. You can see the text area 2 is this. ID of this. See text area 2, you can see text area 2, it is shown. Text ID is text area 2 in the down. You see after X and Y coordinate. See ID text. The text should be, it should say hello. Wish you a happy day. 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 Okay, and it should play speech also. Okay, play speech. This only control plus C, and over here control plus V in the female voice. Okay, now I will show you. Start chatting with what? Okay, now I will hello answer. Yes, it is saying hello, wish you a happy day, but it is not showing over here. Okay, it is not showing over here. So for that also, I'm going to design, going to screen 3. Okay, screen 3, and in the down. Okay, in the down side over here, I am going to take a button. Okay, I am going to take a button, not button, not. I will take an image. Okay, an image, and I will choose over here icons, erase. Okay, erase or clear. I will click on it, erase, and the icon color will be light, very light, and that will be yellow, or I can keep it white also, but yellow is more nice. Okay, I'm putting it here, yellow, or leave yellow, button only I'm taking. And before asking question, clear. Okay, clear. This also I have done now. And okay, done. Okay, I think it is very congested. There is no space on it. I think so. I'm making some space over here. Okay, now I will run it. Now it will work properly. First, I have to click on clear, but the clear button is not working. So for that, for making it working, button 7, this is the button 7, okay? This is the button 7, click. Then what should happen is set text in the text area 2, okay? Set text in text area 2 should be nothing. So I will give here blank, okay? Now I will run it and I will click on clear. Wait. This is not text area 2. It is, I think, text area 3, yes. Okay, now text area 3 is clear when I clicked on clear. And now I will write over here, hello. Answer. It is saying, hello, wish you a happy day. And over here also I'm doing text area 3, okay? Now it will give here. It will write also. Answer. It has written, hello, wish you a happy day. It is working properly. Yes, it is working properly. So now I will just copy it for all of them. Control plus C and V. Wait, Control plus C, V. Done. And now the second question was, what is your name? So I will give here, what is your name? What is your name? And name, my name is chatbot. You can find my image and name in front page. It will play this speech and I will copy this, Control plus C, and over here also I will write just that only. Now I will clear it and write here, what is your name? Is your name? Wait, it is showing. Wait, this is the wrong word I have written. Instead of find, I have written find. Sorry, I have written find. Now it will work now properly. Now I will give here, what is your name? Yes, it has shown also and it has said also, okay? It has said also. So for, and yes, I have written all the questions answer. You can see I've written all the question answer. You can see for every for all the questions over here. Now I will show you questions. Okay. Now first question is hello. Hello, wish you a happy day. Okay. Now I will clear, and the second question is, what is your name? What is your name? Answer. Okay. And what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Oh, you like to eat data. Who has made you? Who has made you? Okay. Okay, it is saying that Ayush Raj has made me. Ayush Raj has made me. But over here, I have not changed the question only. That's why it was repeating. You saw. Then the question is, where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, where do you live? This question was that. And what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Subject. Okay, what is your favorite subject? Now I will run it. Now it will answer correctly. Hello. Okay, answer. And I will click on see what to ask. Okay, the second question is, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, what is your name? Answer. Okay, I have written wrong answer. Okay, it has said this also. Now the another is, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Okay, he like to eat data, he's saying. Okay, who has made you? Who has made? Ayush Raj has made me. It is strange. It is playing a speech in female voice. And who has made you? Now, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? No. Okay, it is saying that I live in every device if people download it. Okay, interesting answer. What is your favorite subject? Favorite subject. What is your favorite subject? Oh, whoever has made me, it is showing Ayush Raj has made me because he loves computer program. Okay. So today, whatever I have told you and explained you that I have made, and one more thing is that I have not shown you for this something you want to search. I will click on it, then this will happen, and this will open this search engine, which I have made, and you can search over here like Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar. I'm searching, continue, then it will open. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar, the batsman of Indian team who scored 100 centuries, maximum centuries, has been opened. Okay, it is showing over here, height, born on, everything it is showing. It is showing, and there is YouTube also. Okay, it is interesting. I'm clicking on YouTube. I have opened on YouTube. It is working very properly. Whatever I have given to it, it is working. Today I have made this, the chat bot. You also try it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.